Fix Kia Connect Not Working, the ultimate rescue guide. So, your Kia Connect is acting up? No worries. Let's crack the code and get you back to smooth, connected driving. Follow these battle-tested steps and say goodbye to connection woes. 1. The basics. Don't skip. Before diving into techie fixes, check these first. Ignition and battery. Is your car in accessory mode or fully on? A weak 12-volt battery can mess things up. Signal strength. Poor cellular coverage? Step outside. Concrete jungles and basements are notorious for killing signals. 2. The Kia Connect app, your digital lifeline. If the app isn't playing nice, try these. Update it. Running an old version? Not cool. Get the latest 2025 compatible update. Clear cache, reinstall. Glitches love old data. Wipe cache or reinstall the app for a fresh start. Login woes? Double-check credentials, log out and back in, or reset the password if needed. Permissions matter. Enable location, background data, and notifications. Your phone won't fetch data without them. 3. Connectivity and server mayhem. Not every issue is your fault. Sometimes Kia's servers take a nap. Check for outages. Visit Kia's status page or social media. If they're down, it's not just you. Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Toggle off on, reconnect, or forget and pair again. 4. Vehicle software. Keep it fresh. Your car's tech needs updates too. OTA updates. Go to Settings, Software Update, and make sure you're on the latest firmware. Factory reset, last resort. If nothing works, reset the infotainment system. Warning, this wipes everything. 5. Hardware and fuses, the deep fix. When all else fails, let's get hands-on. TCU fuse check. A blown telematics control unit fuse could be the villain. Check your manual for its location and swap it out if needed. GPS and TCU health. If your GPS is off or the TCU is failing, visit a Kia dealer for a proper diagnosis. 6. Subscription and account. No active plan, no fun. Kia Connect is a subscription-based service. No active plan, no features. Check via the Kia Connect portal or call customer support to confirm your status. Renew if needed. 7. Location, interference, and the unknown. Sometimes it's not you, it's your surroundings. Park smart. Underground parking, thick walls, or tunnels can kill connectivity. Drive to an open area and retry. Ditch the aftermarket accessories. Some third-party gadgets might be interfering. Unplug them and test again. #8. The advanced 2025 specific fixes. The future is here, but so are new problems. 5G compatibility? If your car's modem isn't 5G ready, it may need a dealer hardware upgrade. Biometric login issues? Face ID fingerprint not working? Reconfigure it in settings. 9. Still stuck? Call in the pros. If nothing works, it's time to call in the cavalry. Dealer visit. Your TCU antenna may need professional diagnostics. Book a service appointment. Customer support. Contact Kia via the app, chat, phone, or social media. They might have exclusive fixes. Final note. Start small. Think big. Always begin with the simplest fixes. App updates, reboots, before moving to complex solutions. Stay updated with Kia's 2025 user forums. New fixes drop all the time. Did this guide help? Share your experience in the comments below. Happy driving!